Due to the great demand for star anises, some counterfeit star anises have appeared on the market. If you don't look carefully, it is easy to buy fake star anises. So today, I will tell you about the techniques for selecting star anises. Let's find out in this video. Firstly, I will tell you some specifications of star anise. Star anise is indigenous to Vietnam and Southeast China, and these are also the two largest exporters of star anise in the world. Star anise is a star-shaped fruit of an evergreen plant known scientifically as the Lycium verum. Tough skin and rust color, they measure up to 3 cm long. The fruit is picked before it can ripen and dry. Star anise has a licorice or anise-like flavor, which comes from a spicy essential oil, anise. So how to detect fake star anise from real ones? For most people, it's very common to mistake between fake star anise or mango and the real one because of their similar appearance. The fake star anise often has from 10 to 13 horns. The most common is 10 horns, and each horn of mango is hoop-shaped. In contrast with fake star anise, the real one is fat and has fewer horns, ranging from 5 to 10 horns, above 8 on average. The corners of the fake star anise are upturned, similar to the eagle hoop, as opposed to the real star anise comparatively flat corners. Adding to that, while the fake star anise stalks are shorter, straighter, and slightly curved, the stalks of the real one are longer and bent. Spices like star anise have a robust, genuine smell and an apparent sweetness, while counterfeit star anise lacks this kind of natural aroma. It creates a feeling of being strongly numb when tasting this fake star anise, and the fake star anise also has a sour and unpleasant flavor. Another feature that you can base on to tell the difference between the real and the fake star anise is the color. Fake star anise is primarily khaki, often lighter with an earthy yellow color, while the true one has a brown-red color or bright crimson. And the mango is a highly toxic thing. It will endanger our health if eaten, so be careful with fake star anise. To avoid buying fake star anise, it's best to find a reliable supplier and the one who is specializing in this spice. Compared to China, Vietnam still has larger production and is the main star anise exporter in the world. K Agriculture and Factory is one of them. We are proud of leading a star anise exporting company in the world now with high quality and the most reasonable price. Please contact us if you are interested in our product. And this is the end of this video. Please give a like, comment and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you and see you again.